Okay, we can start the lesson, students. Rohit, Madhu, Rakshita, Saundarya. There are 2 Rakshitas. Okay. Fine, we will continue with the same multiple choice questions of binomial theorem. Let me put the first question. You can try. First and second questions. Okay. Still no one is giving the answer. This one is x plus y. Not x plus 1.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Okay. I'll make it clear. One second. Yeah. I have corrected the question. Okay, now I think you will hear properly. Summer. I have corrected my mic. Still it is breaking. It's not clear.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let me explain to those who still did not get. Lohit, he's saying 1. The answer is 1. Yes, it is correct. So let us see what is being asked in the question. What is the coefficient of x square, y square in this expansion? First, we will expand x plus y whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now you have to see coefficient of x square, y square. Where will you get x square, y square term? If you multiply, you can see where you will get x square, y square term here. You have to multiply further. Like x power 5 plus 3x power 4 y plus 3x cube y square plus x square y cube plus 2x power 4y plus 6x cube y square plus 6x square y square plus 2xy power 4. Like that, you have to multiply each and every term. But we cannot multiply, it will be waste of time. So instead of multiplying like this directly, you can see here when you multiply, you won't get x square, y square. Here when you multiply, you won't get x square, y square. Here no x square, y square. Here no x square, y square. Here also no x square, y square. Here not x square, y square. What about here? No. And what about here? No. Next with blue color, I will write. Here no x square, y square. 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 That is why when you are multiplying this, you are not getting x square, y square. That is why in the question it is given x plus 1 whole square and x plus 1 whole cube. Why this is popping up? That is why in the question it is given x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole cube. And so what happens is You will write this as x plus 1 whole square and this as 1 plus x whole cube. Here y you are taking as 1. Here x you are taking as 1. Is that clear? In the expansion, what I have written, x plus y whole square, what I have changed, x plus y whole cube, what I have changed, I have put y as 1, x as 1. And then you can say coefficient of x square, y square. What will it be? So in the first expansion, you will have x square. And then plus y is 1, 2x, y is 1. In the second one, x is 1. So you will have 3y plus 3y square plus y cube. This is what you will have when you take. And so x square, y square coefficient will be 1. Coefficient of x square, y square will be 1 in such way. You can take it. Okay, coming to the next question. No one gave me the answer for second question. So let me tell you. 8 power 48 is divided by 63. What is the remainder? If you see 8 power 48, you can write it as 8 square whole power 24 because 2 into 24 will be 48. And then you can write 64 as 63 plus 1 power 24. You know what is 63 plus 1 power 24? If you use binomial theorem, the general term will be n c r x power n minus r a power r. These all you will be adding. R will start from 0 to 24. Like this, you can write the binomial theorem in short. Now, if you expand this, instead of writing directly, you can expand also. First term will be 24C0. 63 power 24. 1 power 0. 1 power, whatever it will be, you can remove it. Always 1 power will be 1 only. 24C1, 63 power 23. 24C2, 63 power 22. Like that, it will go until 24C3, 64, 24C23, it will go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 23, 64 power 1. Last one will be 24C24, no 64 at all. In all these terms, you see 63. So that 63 can be taken common from all. And then last term will be 1. So this 8 power 48, when you divide by 63, a remainder of 1 is left. Yes, you are correct, Saundarya. Akash, you are correct. Lohit, you are correct. So finally, when you divide by 63, this remainder 1 is left. So they are asking remainder in the question, and that is 1. These questions are a little bit difficult from what you have learned. Same type of question, I'm giving you another one. Try this. This remainder question only, because one I have already shown to you. I think you can do this. And one more also I'll give you. Soundarya got B as the answer. I don't think B is the answer. Akash got D, Rakshita got D, Lohit got 16. Yes, this is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. For those who did not get, let us see. Now, 4 power 103. 4 power 103 I can write as 4 into 4 power 102. Now, why did I take 102? Because I can write 4 into 4 power 102, I can change it. I can write it as 4 power 2 into 51. I mean 4 power 2 whole power 51, because 2 into 51 will be 102. Not only that, I can write 4 square as 16 power 51. And why did I get 16? Because 16 I can write 17 minus 1 power 51. Now I can use binomial theorem to expand. I will write 4 completely outside. 51C0, 17 power 51. 1 power I can leave. 1 power always I can leave. Minus, because there is minus 51 C1, 17 power 50, plus 51 C2, 17 power 49, minus so on. In the end, I will be having 51 C50 and 51 C51. So 51 C51 will be minus. 51 C50 will be plus, but it will be having 17 power 1. Now, because I have to test for divisibility by 17, I can take 17 outside. Then I have 51 C0, 17 power 50, so on, up to this term, plus 51 C50 I have. The last term will be minus 4 into 1. This is what I have. Okay, 4 into 1, I can write here like this. Or instead of taking 4 separately for both, I can write 4 outside also like this. So what you can see is when it is divided by 17, the remainder, what it will be? Here it is not plus 1. Remember, it is minus 1. If it is plus 1, you can write remainder will be 1. But because it is minus 1, what you have to take? It is 1 less than 17. 17 minus 1. 16 is the remainder. That is why option D we are taking. Next. Question number 4. I think no one got it. What is the integral part of root 3 plus 1 whole power 8? Integral part means, only thing is you got confused. Integral part means there will be integer and there will be decimal. When you expand this, two parts will be there. Like suppose if 7.6 is there, 7 is the integral part, integer, and 6 is the decimal part, like that. So here they are asking, when you expand this, what will be the integer part? What is the decimal part? Of course, they did not ask. Samarth is saying B is the answer. Oh, so soon, Samarth, you got the answer? But B is not correct. Let us see. Okay. So what we will do is we will expand this. Root 3 plus 1 power 8, we will expand. 8C0 root 3 power 8, 1 power will be 1 only, so I'm not worried. 8C1 root 3 power 7. 8C2 root 3 power 6. 8C3, 8C4, 8C7 root 3 power 1. Last one, 8C8, no root 3. Now what you can see is whenever root 3 is having even power, that means 3 power half is having even power, 2 ones, 2 fours, 3 power 4 will be integer like 81. So if it is even power, you will get integer. If it is odd power, root 3 power 7, 3 power half, whole power 7, 3 power 7 by 2. This will not be integer. In calculator, if you put this, manually we can't find it. But in calculator, if you put it, 3 power 7 by 2, that means 3.5. You will get 46.765, something like that you will get. So here this will not be integer. Remember that. So remembering that into account, what we will do is we will take integral part of it. That means even powers we will take. What are the even powers you can take? You can take 8C0 root 3 power 8, 8C2 root 3 power 6, 8C4 root 3 power 4, 8C6 root 3 power 2, and 8C8. These all we will take into consideration, integral part. So 8C0 is 1, 3 power 4 is 81. What will be 8C2? I will write here. Start with 8, take two numbers by 4. So 4 sevens 28 into 3 power 3, that is 27. Then 8C4, start with 8, 7, 6, 5 by 4 factorial. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 6 will cancel. 4 twos, 35 twos is 70. And then you will have 3 square, that is 9. 8C6 is same as 8C2. Root 3 square will be 3. 8C8 will be 1. So these all you will have. Total how many terms? 5 terms. Okay. Now, still you can simplify. First one is 81. Then 28 into 27. 756. 630. And then 84. Plus 1. Still you have to add 81 plus 756 plus 630 plus 84 plus 1. 1552. That is option C. Integral part. This is how you take integral part. Yes. Lohit and Rakshita, now you are right. Next one. Question number 5, I'm putting here down. And question number 6. What is the expansion? It's normal, simple question. What is the expansion? N C R x power n minus r a power R. Sigma, add up all the terms. R you take from 0 to 1000. That's it. This is what is there in the options. Okay, next. What is the real part of 11 plus I whole cube? This is also in one way binomial theorem only. How? 3C0, 11 power 3, I power 0. 3C1, 11 power 2, I power 1. 3C2, 11 power 1, I square. And then 3C3, no 11, I cube. This will be a real part because I power 0 is 1. This will not be real part. This will be real part because I square is minus 1. This will not be the real part. So 3C0 is 1. 11 cube. Someone got the answer. Option C. Okay. Let's see. So next we have to take 11 cube, which is 1331. This is the first term. Then 3C2 is same as 3C1. It will be 3 into 11. So here 1331 minus 33. And that, when you take it, 1328. Option C. Correct. What you said is option C is correct. Next. Here is the next question number 7. What are the coefficients of the first and last term of a plus b power n? If you see the first term, NC0, a power n, b power 0. And if you see the last term, NCN, a power 0 and b power n. NC0 is 1, a power n, b power 0 is 1. NCN is 1, a power 0 is 1, b power n. So a power n and b power n. These two you have in the first term and last term. So the coefficient of first term is 1 into a power n. And coefficient of last term is 1 into b power n. So 1 is the coefficient for the last term. Coefficient means number. Number associated with that particular term. You can't say coefficients depend on n, because the coefficient, whatever be n, in the first term, it will be 1. Whatever be n, the number will be 1. That's why B is the correct option. Next, what is the remainder when 4 power 2n plus 1 is divided by 5? First letter, this is logic question, shortcut method. If you see 4 power 1, you have 4. If you see 4 square, it is 16. 4 cube is 64. 4 power 4 is 256. 4 power 5 is 1024, and so on. So, when you take odd powers of 4, they end with 4. When you take even powers of 4, they end with 6. This is the thing to observe. So when 5 divides the nearest 10, 4 will be obtained as the remainder each time. If you want, you can see. Suppose you are dividing 16 by 5. What you will have? 5 threes, 15. You will have remainder 1. When you divide 64 by 5, 5 12 60. So 4 is the remainder. Why did I say 4 is the remainder? Why did I say A as the answer? Because I have to take odd powers. 2n plus 1 is odd. So I am taking the odd powers. I am taking this, dividing by 5. 2n is even. 2n will be even. 2n plus 1 will be odd. So I am seeing only odd powers, and if I divide, I will get remainder 4. So that will be the answer. Yes, correct, Akash. Option A. Let's go to the next one. This is the next question. By the time I paste, you can try. Okay. Ninth one. What is the expansion of xy plus 2 whole square? So this is very easy actually. You can use a plus b whole square only. A square plus 2ab plus b square. X square y square plus 4xy plus 4. That is option D. Very easy question. Question number 13. What is the quotient when x power 4 plus 4x cube y plus x square y plus 4xy cube plus y power 4 is divided by x plus y? So if you see the binomial expansion properties carefully here, we know that 4c0 is 1. But why did I take 4c0? If you see the power is 4 here, 3 plus 1, 4. Then this must be 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. Everywhere 4, 4, 4 is there. That's why I'm starting with 4c0 is 1. 4c1 is 4. 4c2 is start with 4. Take two numbers, divide by 2 factorial. So 4C2 is 6. 4C3 is same as 4C1. 4C4 is same as 4C0. So this, you can say that this is the expansion of x plus y whole power 4, which you are dividing by x plus y. So 1x plus y will cancel and you will have x plus y whole cube as the answer. Sometimes observing the question, you can say what will be the answer. Okay. Let us see the next question. What is the general term of x minus y power xy? General term means tr plus 1. N CR x power n minus r and then a power r. But there will be minus 1. If you want to avoid minus 1, what you have to do is for y itself, you have to take minus. Lohit got option B as the answer. Observe carefully. Is it minus B? Now you are writing C. Okay. Yes. So you can see in C, XYCR, x power xy minus r minus y power r. C is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. What is the value of n if the coefficients of second term of x minus y whole cube is equal to third term of x plus y whole power n? So first is you have to find n. Then what they said, coefficient of T2 in x minus y whole cube, second term, is equal to coefficient of T3 third term in x plus y whole power n. So, how to find coefficient of T2? First, I will take TR plus 1. NCR x power n minus r a power r. This is what I'll take. Now, because T2 r I have to put 1. T2 equal to 3C2 x power 2 minus y power 1. Coefficient of second term. So second term will be minus 3C2 x square y. What is the coefficient? What is the coefficient here? Minus 3C2. Coefficient is minus 3C2. Only the number coefficient means. Next one. For the next one, I will take the general term again. What is the general term here? TR plus 1, NCR, x power n minus r, y power r. But because I have to take third term, r is 2. Third term, r is 2. X power, r is 2. Y power, r is 2. So here, if you see the coefficient, I get only the number that is NC2. Who got the answer? Samarth got the answer. Okay. So now how to get it? How to get the answer? You have to take the coefficients equal. For time being, I will remove the minus sign. 3C2 is same as 3C1. And NC2 is start with N, take two numbers by 2 factorial. 6 equal to N into N minus 1. This is what I have. That means I'm getting an equation. N square minus N minus 6 equal to 0. When I factorize N minus 3 into N plus 2 equal to 0. N will be 3 and N will be minus 2. Two answers I got. So I have to take N as 3, option B. Positive answer. For N, I will take positive answer. You got C, not C. B is the answer. 3. We will not take negative. N we will take positive. Okay. Let me put the next question. Try this. You can start trying quickly. Two questions. If you see question number 3, which term will be the middle term of xyz minus x power 2n? Clearly, you can see the power is even number. 2n means even number. And the power is even number means you will have one extra. Total number of terms will be one extra. That means 2n plus 1 terms will be there. So whenever the binomial is having even power, the middle term, suppose the binomial is having n and n is even, then what is the formula I gave you? What will be the middle term? N by 2 plus 1th term will be the middle term. So here also I have to take that only. What is the power? 2n, which I have to divide by 2 and then add 1. So this term will be the middle term. That is n plus 1th term will be the middle term. This is there in the formula I gave you on the first day. Same way here, fourth question, similar to the one. You can see the power is even. The power is even and it is 6. So which term? N by 2 plus 1th term. 6 by 2 plus 1th term. That is 4th term will be the middle term. What is the general term formula? NCR 4 power 6 minus R 2x power R. But because we are taking 4th term, R we have to put as 3. So 6C3 Someone already got the answer. Lohit, B, 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 continuous B, B, very happy in getting the answer first. Yes, it is correct. Answer B is the right one. So R, you will put it as 3. 4 power 3, 4 cube and 2x power 3. Now 6C3, start with 6. Take 3 numbers by 3 factorial. 4 cube is 64. 2 cube is 8. And then x cube. X and 6 and 6 will cancel. So you have 20 into 8. 160 into 64 into x cube. And then when you multiply, you will have, obviously, this is not x cube, this is not x cube, this is not x cube. Option B is only having x cube. Okay, next. By the time I put the next question, you can try this fast. Many of you are good in binomial theorem. That is what I have observed. Compared to permutations and combinations, I think binomial theorem is easy for you. Okay. Now, what is the middle term? Fifth question. Here you can see the power is odd. The power 3 is odd. So whenever n is odd, which term will be the middle term? N plus 1 by 2 will be one middle term. You will have two middle terms. N plus 1 by 2 and n minus 1 by 2. Two middle terms you will have. So because we have 3, 3 plus 1 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2, 4 by 2. That is T2, 2 by 2, T1. These two are the middle terms, T1 and T2. So general term, TR plus 1. How many marks come from previous chapters? Okay, till now we have done only permutations and combinations only. This is binomial theorem we are doing. So actually, if you want the marks, we have done complex numbers and quadratic equations also. From complex numbers and quadratic equations, 9 marks questions will come. If you want, you can note it down. From complex numbers and quadratic equations, 9 marks. From permutations and combinations, again 9 marks. Binomial theorem, 8 marks. After we do the next chapter, I'll tell you. For each chapter, I'll tell you the weightage. Okay. TR plus 1 term. 3CR x square power 3 minus R x power R. This is what I have. Now first I will put R as 0 so that I will have T1. 3C0 x square power 3 minus 0 x power 0. 3C0 is 1. Then x power 6. Then this is 1. X power 0 is 1. So x power 6. R I will put 1. Then I will have T2. 3C1 x square power 2 and x power 1. 3C1 is 3, x power 4 and x. So 3x power 5. So T1 and T2 are the middle terms of this 3x power 4 and 3x power 5. So you can go for A, 3x power 4. This is why I am telling you this, because in the formula, you have n plus 3 by 2 also. Here, I told you n minus 1 by 2, and with the help of that, we can find. Or directly you can expand and find. Or you can take n plus 3 by 2 and find. I'll tell you the next method. Other method, it will be easy. Directly you take the formula a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square. This is what I did. That is why I got 3x power 4 plus b cube. So these two are the middle terms. 3x power 5. And I got just now in the first method, I got 3x power 5. So I took 3x power 4 because that is not there in the option. So the other middle term is 3x power 4. Like this directly also you can take it if you feel that method difficult. Okay, next one. Last question, I think. We can't do more than this. Which of the following values of n are possible if the middle term of x plus 3y whole power n is the fifth term? So fifth term is the middle term. That is what they are saying. And here you have to find the value of n. What is n? This is the midterm, middle term. So how will you proceed? N is number of terms and it is even. Then the middle term will be, if it is even, the middle term will be n by 2 plus 1. Suppose if n is odd, there will be two middle terms. Let me write. If n is even, n by 2 plus 1th term will be the middle term. If n is odd, n plus 1 by 2, and the other I gave you in the formula, n plus 3 by 2. These two will be the middle terms. That is for sure. So now, suppose if n is odd, what will happen? Because in the options, what are given? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The values of n in the options are given to you 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the options if you see. Lohit, why are you doubtful B or C? Okay, suppose if I say n is 6. N is even. N is even means either 6 or 8 or 10. So what will be the middle terms? 6 by 2, 3 plus 1, 4. 8 by 2, 4 plus 1, 5. And then 10 by 2, 5 plus 1, 6. These are the middle terms. If n is 6, 8 or 10. If n is odd, 7 or 9, only odd numbers, then what are the middle terms? 7 plus 1, 8 by 2, 4th. And 7 plus 3, 10 by 2, 5th. These two. Then if n is 9, 9 plus 1, 10 by 2, 5th. 9 plus 3, 12 by 2, 6th. These two are the middle terms. But they are saying 5th term is the middle term. They gave you one clarification. Fifth term is the middle term. So which one it should be? With 8, we got fifth term. With 7, we got fifth term. With 9, we got fifth term as the middle term. So it can be 7, 8, or 9. That is option C. All these are shortcut methods once you are good with the topic. So today we are ending the class here. We will start the new chapter, that is sets. From tomorrow, we will start sets. See you tomorrow.